ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ውድ የኮንሶም ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? የዛሬው ዝግጅታችን ተጀምሯል። የዛሬው ዝግጅታችን የሚሆነው ደግሞ ግሬድ 9 ኢኮኖሚክስ ዩኒት 1 ኢንትሮዲዩሲንግ ኢኮኖሚክስ የሚለው ቻፕተር ወይም ዩኒት ላይ መልቲፕል ቾይስ ኩዌሽንስ ዊዝ ዲቴል ኤክስፕላኔሽን እናያለን። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች በ12ኛ ክፍል ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም በተለያዩ የክላስ ፈተናዎቹ መሰረት አጠቃላይ የተዘጋጁ ናቸው። ስለዚህ ለኢኮኖሚክስ ቻፕተሩን በደንብ ተረታችኋል ወይ የሚለውን ራሳችሁን ለመገምገም ያስችላችኋል ማለት ነው። የኮንሶኔቶ ቻናል ቤተሰብ የሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ እየጠየቁ ቤተሰብ የሆናችሁ ደግሞ የደወል ምልክቱን ብትጫኑ በየቀኑ የምለቃቸው ቪዲዮዎች በፍጥነት ይደርሷችኋል። ለሌሎች እንዲደርስ ቪዲዮውን ሼር ብታደርጉ ደስ ይለኛል። ከወዳችሁት ላይክ አድርጉት። ጥያቄ አስተያየት ካላችሁ ደግሞ በኮሜንት ሴክሽን ስልኬን ኢሜይልን በመጠቀም ታደርሱ ትችላላችሁ። በጥያቄያችሁ መሰረት ወደ እናንተ መልሼ ይዤ የምቀርብ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ እንዳልኳችሁ ዩኒት 1 ኢዝ አባውት ኢንትሮዲዩሲንግ ኢኮኖሚክስ። እናንተ ለኢኮኖሚክስ ለሚባለው ለሰብጀክት ማተር አዲስ እንደመሆናችሁ መጠን ኢንትሮዲዩሲንግ ኢኮኖሚክስ የሚለው ላይ መልቲፕል ቾይስ ሞዴል ኩዌሽንስ ወይም ፕራክቲስ ኩዌሽንስ እናያለን ማለት ነው። ኩዌሽን 1 ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ፕራይመሪ ፎከስ ኦፍ ስተዲንግ ኢኮኖሚክስ። ኢኮኖሚክስን ማጥናታችን ዘ ፕራይመሪ ፎከስ ምንድን ነው ይላል። ኤ ዘ ማኔጅመንት ኦፍ ፋሚሊ ሃውስሆልድ ኢን አንሸንት ግሪስ። ቢ the efficient allocation of scarce resources to fulfill unlimited human needs. C. The analysis of stock market trends and corporate finance. D. The study of political system and their impact on trade. Simply መልሱ ይሄ ቢ ነው። ኢኮኖሚክስ ምንድን ነው ብለናል? ኢኮኖሚክስ a branch of social science ነው ብለናል። ኢኮኖሚክስ is formally defined as a branch of social science that studies the efficient allocation of scarce resources so as to attain the maximum fulfillment of human needs ብለናል። This definition is built on several key observations. First, that humanities and wants are virtually ምንድናቸው ብለናል? unlimited ናቸው። Second, that the economic resources available to satisfy these needs such as labor, land, capital, entrepreneurial talent are scarce or ምንድናቸው? unlimited ናቸው። So, therefore, the central objective of studying economics becomes how societies can achieve the highest possible level of satisfaction by making careful choice about how to use the limited resources, ensuring that they are allocated in the most efficient manner possible rather than being wasted now ማለት ነው። So the primary focus of studying economics is that the efficient allocation of scarce resources to fulfill unlimited human wants ነው ማለት ነው። ከዴፊኒሽኑ ሁለት ነገሮች አሉ። ሁማኒቲስ ኤንድ ዋንትስ አር ቨርቹዋሊ ምንድን ናቸው? አንሊሚትድ ናቸው። ሰከንድሪ ደግሞ ዘ ኢኮኖሚክ ሪሶርስ አቬሌብል ቱ ሳቲስፋይ ዘ ኒድስ ሰች አስ ሌበር፣ ላንድ፣ ካፒታል፣ ኢንተርፕረናቢሊቲ ምንድን ናቸው? ስኬርስ ናቸው። ስለዚህ ይሄ በኢኮኖሚክስ የሚጠና ነው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ which of the following statement best describes ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ። እንግዲህ ኢኮኖሚክስ ብሮድሊ የተለያዩ ሰብጀክት ማተሮች ቢኖሩትም በሁለት እንከፍላለን ብለናል። ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ እና ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ብለን። ስለዚህ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስን ቤስት ዲስክራይብ የሚያደርገው ስቴትመንት የትኛው ነው ይለናል። ኤ it studies the effect and consequence of aggregate behavior of all decision making units. B it investigates the relationship of numerous aggregate economic variables like national income. C it is concerned with the economic behavior of individual decision making units like households and firms. D its central problem is associated with the full employment of economic resources. መልሱ ሲምፕሊ ይሄ ሲ ነው። ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ፎከስ የሚያደርገው ምን ላይ ነው? it focuses on the economic actions and decisions of individual units in the economy ነው። ምን ብያችኋለሁ? እዛ ኖቱ ላይ ሌሰን 1 ላይ ማለት ነው ግሬድ 9 ኢኮኖሚክስ ዩኒት 1 ሌሰን 1 ላይ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ፎከስ on the economic actions and decisions of individual economic units within the economy ነው ብለናል። So it is meritocracy examines how a single consumer makes choices about what to buy, how a specific household decides to spend its income, how an individual business firm determines what to produce and what price to change, as well as how a particular industry operates የሚለውን individual economic decision making units such like households and firms ያጥናል ማለት ነው። For example, studying the price of tea in local market, the income of an individual named Abarash, the saving habit of a person named Chala or Ababa, all for squarely within the realm of microeconomics. The price of tea in the market የአበራሽን ገቢ፣ የጫላን ሴቪንግ ሀቢት ሁሉ በሪልም ኦፍ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው ይታቀፋሉ ማለት ነው። ሶ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ኢትስ ፋንዳመንታል ፕሮብለም ምን ይሆናል revolves around how those individual units allocate the scarce resources which is closely tied to the problem of price determination in specific market ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ነው። ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ይላል the fundamental problem of macroeconomics is associated with ቀደም አሁን በኩዌሽን 2 ስለ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ነበር ያየነው። አሁን ደግሞ ስለ macroeconomics ነው። So the fundamental problem of macroeconomics associated with a price determination of individual commodities, B resource allocation for specific industries, C full employment of economic resources, D the spending decision of a single consumer. መልሱ simply C ነው። macroeconomics in contrast to microeconomics looks at the economy as a whole ነው የሚያወራናል። the economy as a whole የሚያየው macroeconomics ነው። So it deals with broad economy-wide aggregates that results from the combined behavior of all decision making units. So instead of focusing on price, it looks at the general price level instead of one person's income. It studies national income. ስለዚህ instead of average national income, instead of average income, instead of ጫላ saving, instead of the price of debt in the market, እሱ ምን ያጠናል ማለት ነው it studies national income. So it looks at the general price level ማለት ነው። So the central problem of macroeconomics is concerned with achieving and maintaining the full employment of a nation's economic resource, it is total labor force, capital stock and land. So macroeconomics seeks to understand why economists experience periods of high unemployment and what policies can be implemented to ensure that all available resources are being used productively ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ the fundamental problem of macroeconomics is associated with full employment of economic resources ነው ማለት ነው። አራተኛው ጥያቄ which of the following is an example of microeconomic study? ከሚከተሉት ውስጥ ማይክሮኢኮኖሚክ ስተዲ ለማይክሮኢኮኖሚክ ስተዲ ምሳሌ ሊሆን የሚችለው የቱ ነው ይለናል። ኤ analyzing the gross domestic product of Ethiopia, B studying the general price level trend in a country, C examining the saving habit of an individual named ጫላ, D investigating the national unemployment rate. ቀደም ብለናል ማይክሮኢኮኖሚክስ the individual economic units ነው የሚያጠናው። ስለዚህ the key to distinguish microeconomics from macroeconomics is the scale of analysis ነው። Microeconomics deals with individual specific component of the economy. Microeconomics ስለምን ያጠናል? ስለ individual specific component of the economy ያጠናል። Therefore, examining the saving habit, consumption pattern or income of a single demand individual like ጫላ፣ አበበ፣ አበራሽ፣ ገብረትንሳኤ is a classical example of microeconomic study. Microeconomic analysis the behavior of one decision making units just like household or a person rather than looking at the total saving, total consumption or total income for the entire economy, which would be a macroeconomic study, which can be ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው macroeconomic study። ስለዚህ the example of macroeconomic study የሚሆነው examining the saving habit of an individual named ጫላ፣ አበበ፣ አበራሽ፣ ገብረ መስቀል just ጋዲሳ የነሱ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው ማይክሮኢኮኖሚክ ስተዲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question 5 the deductive method in economics እንግዲህ ሜተድ ኦፍ ሪዝኒንግ ሁለት ናቸውና ዲዳክቲቭ ሜተድ እና ኢንዳክቲቭ ሜተድ። ስለዚህ ዲዳክቲቭ ሜተድ ኢን ኢኮኖሚክስ ምንድነው ይለናል። ኤ ዴቨሎፕ ቲዮሪ ቤዝድ ኦን ኦብዘርቬሽን ኤንድ ኤክስፐሪመንት፣ ቢ ኢንቮልቭ ሪዝኒንግ ፍሮም ስፔሲፊክ ፋክተርስ ቱ ጀነራል ፕሪንሲፕልስ፣ ሲ proposed from general principles to the analysis of specific factors, D it's solely used in normative economic analysis. እንግዲህ ዲዳክቲቭ ምንድን ነው? from general to particular ነው የሚሄደው። the deductive method is top down approach to logical reasoning. deductive method ምንድን ነው? a top down approach to logical reasoning ነው። it begins with general ከየት ይጀምራል? ከጀነራል establish truth on principle and uses to analyze specific situations and arrive at a particular conclusion. ስለዚህ ዲዳክቲቭ ምንድነው? top down approach ነው። ከምን ይጀምራል? ከጀነራል ይጀምራል። ከጀነራል በመጀመር ደግሞ truth and principle በመጠቀም specific situation and particular conclusion ላይ ይደርሳል ይለናል። So a classical example provided us man is mortal ለምሳሌ general principle አበበ is a man specific fact therefore አበበ is mortal particular conclusion ይሄ deductive method ይባላል። So in economics this method may start with the general assumption about human behavior. Example, people seek to maximize their satisfaction and then reason toward specific predictions about how consumers respond to a price change. The conclusion derived through deduction are then tested against real-world observation fact or for validation. ስለዚህ the deductive method in economics is proposed from general principle to the analysis of specific factors. It is also known as top-down approach of a logical reasoning, and it starts or begins with general and established truth or principle is to analyze specific situation and arrive at a particular conclusion. A deductive method of reasoning ይባላል። Question 6. The statement, the government should introduce school feeding program in all schools is an example of እንግዲህ ታስታውሱ ከሆነ ኢኮኖሚክስ ፖዚቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ እና ኖርማቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ የሚባሉ እንትኖች አሉት ብለናል። ስለዚህ ስቴትመንቱ the government should introduce school feeding programs in all schools የሚለው ምን ኤግዛምፕል ነው ይለናል። ፖዚቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ፣ ቢ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ፣ ሲ ዲዳክቲቭ ሪዝኒንግ፣ ዲ ኖርማቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ። መልሱ ኖርማቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ ነው። this statement is clear example of normative economics. normative economics ምንድን ነው? what ought to be, what should be ነው። value judgment ነው። subjective approach ነው። positive ኢኮኖሚ ብለናል what is, what was እና what was, what is እና what will be. it is objective ነው። value judgment የለውም ብለናል። ስለዚህ normative economics is concerned with value judgment and opinion about what the economy ought to be or what policy should be implemented. አልበቃል እዛ እንደዚህ ብለናል። so it deals with desirability and often includes words like should, ought to or must. The statement expresses an opinion about the desirable policy action. So such statements cannot be scientifically tested or proven false solely by reference to facts, and disagreements over them is often resolved through debate, persuasion or voting as they reflect different values and preferences about what is good for the society. ፖዚቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ ከሆነ ደግሞ ምንድነው ማለት what is, what was, what will be just fact ነው፣ ቲዮሪ ነው። አለመስማማት ዲስአግሪመንት ሲኖር በኢምፔሪካሊ ቴስት መደረግ ይችላል። ሶ ይሄ the government should introduce school feeding program in all school የሚለው የኖርማቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ ምሳሌ ነው። ጀስት ቪዲዮውን እዩት፣ እዛኛው የሰራሁላችሁ ቪዲዮ ማለት ነው። question 7 which of the following is a positive economic statement? ቅድም ስለ ኖርማቲቭ ያየ ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ስለ ፖዚቲቭ ስቴትመንት እንይ። የፖዚቲቭ ስቴትመንት ምሳሌ የሚሆነው የትኛው ነው? the current inflation rate in Ethiopia is 12%. b poverty is something society should reduce. c free market are inherently unfair situations. d business profit should be redistributed through taxes. አሁን ፖዚቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ ቅድም ብያቸዋለሁ። ድርሱ is objective fact ነው። testable facts about how the economy actually works ነው። so it desirable what is ምን describe ያደርጋል? it describes what is, what was or what will be without making any value judgment about whether the situation is good or bad. ቅድም ያልኳችሁ ማለት ነው። so the statement the current inflation rate is in Ethiopia is 12% የሚለው ምንድነው? is a positive statement because it is a factual claim that can in principle be verified or disproven by looking at the economic data. እንግዲህ የኢትዮጵያ ከረንት ሬት ለምሳሌ 12% ነው የሚለው ዳታ ወስደህ ኦብዘርቭ አድርገህ ፕሩቭም ዲስፕሩቭም ማድረግ ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። so any disagreement about positive statement can be tested by an appeal to evidence. the other option are ምንድን ናቸው? ኖርማቲቭ ስቴትመንት ናቸው because they express opinion or value judgment about what should be done or what is good or bad የሚለውን የሚያሳዩ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ሰባተኛው ጥያቄ ነው። ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ who are the chief owners of the factor of production in an economy? እንግዲህ በኢኮኖሚ ውስጥ ቺፍ ኦነርስ ኦፍ ዘ ፋክተር ኦፍ ፕሮዳክሽን ማን ነው ይለናል። ኤ ቢዝነስ ፈርምስ፣ ቢ ዘ ገቨርንመንት፣ ሲ ሃውስሆልድ፣ ዲ ፎሬን ኢንቨስተር። ኢን ኤ ቤዚክ ሞዴል ኦፍ ዘ ኢኮኖሚ ኦፕን ኢኮኖሚ ከሆነ አራት ኢንቲቲዎች አሉ። ቢዝነስ ፈርምስ አሉ፣ ገቨርንመንት አለ፣ ሃውስሆልድ አለ፣ ፎሬን ኢንቨስተርስ አለ። ዘ ኦነርስ ኦፍ ዘ ፋክተር ኦፍ ፕሮዳክሽን ሲምፕሊ ሃውስሆልዶች ናቸው። In the basic model of an economy, households are identified as the primary owners of all factors of production ናቸው። Therefore, these factors include land, all natural resources ማለት ነው, labor, the physical and mental effort of people, capital, man-made tools and machinery, and entrepreneurship, the ability to organize the other factors and take risks. Factor of production about land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship ናቸው። የነዚህ ኦነር ማን ናቸው? ሃውስሆልዶች ናቸው። So, households supply these factor services to business firms, which are the producers. In return for providing the services, households receive income, rent for land, wage for labor, interest for capital, and profit for entrepreneurship. The reward for land, rent no. The reward for labor, wage, and salary no. The reward for capital interest ነው። the reward for entrepreneurship profit ነው። ስለዚህ the owners of the factor of production in an economy chief ኦነሮቹ ሃውስሆልዶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። question 9 the primary buyers of factor of production ደግሞ እነማን ናቸው ይላል። the primary buyer ያዙልኝ። እንግዲህ ባየሮች ፕራይመሪ ባየር እያለ ነው እዚህ ጋር እንድትዙ እንፈልገው a household, b business firm, c the government, d international organization። መልሱ simply b ነው። Business firms or producers are the entities that require the factor of production to create jobs and services. አሁን ገቨርንመንትም ባየር ነው ግን ፕራይመሪ ባየር አይደለም። ኢንተርናሽናል ኦርጋናይዜሽን ባየር ናቸው ግን ፕራይመሪ ባየር አይደሉም። ስለዚህ ፕራይመሪ ባየሮቹ ቢዝነስ ፈርምስ or producers ናቸው። So they act as the principal buyer in the resource market where they hire or purchase the service of land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship from households. So firms combine these factors in production process to manufacture output which they sell in the goods and services market to households, other firms, the government or foreign entities. ስለዚህ the primary buyers of the factor of production ምንድን ናቸው? ቢዝነስ ፈርምስ ናቸው። the primary suppliers of the factor of production ደግሞ households ናቸው ማለት ነው። question 10 the main source of government revenue as a decision making unit is እንግዲህ ኢኮኖሚክ ዲሲዥን ሜኪንግ ዩኒት ከነዚህ ውስጥ አንዱ ገቨርንመንት ነው። ሶ የገቨርንመንት ሜን ሶርስ ኦፍ ሬቨኑ አስ ኤ ዲሲዥን ሜኪንግ ዩኒት ምንድነው ይላል። ኤ ሴሊንግ ጉድስ ኤንድ ሰርቪስስ ቱ ሃውስሆልድስ፣ ቢ ፕሮፊት ፍሮም ገቨርንመንት ኦንድ ኢንተርፕራይዝስ፣ ሲ ታክስ ሊቭድ ኦን ሃውስሆልድስ ኤንድ ቢዝነስ ፈርምስ፣ ዲ ፎሬን ኤድ ኤንድ ግራንት። ይሄ በጣም ቀላል ጥያቄ ነው። አክቹአሊ መልሱ ሲ ነው። The government as a key decision making unit finances its activities primarily through the imposition of complementary tax levies. Tax በመጣል ነው ኮሌክት የሚያደርገው። It collect direct tax like income tax from households and firms and indirect tax like sales tax, VAT on goods and services. So this revenue is crucial for the government to fund its expenditure, which included providing public services such as national defense, police, education, healthcare, and infrastructure, which are essential for the functioning of society and the economy, but not be sufficiently provided by the private market alone. So the primary sources of government revenue as a decision-making unit is taxes from households and business firms ነው ማለት ነው። question 11 economics is considered as a science because እንግዲህ ኢኮኖሚክስ ምንድነው ብለናል? both science and art ነው ብለናል። ኢኮኖሚክስን ሳይንስ ያደረገው ምንድነው ነው? a deals with solving problems like unemployment and poverty, b systematically collect, classify and analyze facts to make prediction, c it is a technique for achieving something like efficient resource allocation, d is based on entirely on value judgment and opinion። ኢኮኖሚክስን as a science ያደረገው ምንድነው? It systematically collects, classifies and analyzes facts to make predictions ነው። Explanation ስናይ economics is regarded as a social science because it employs a systematic and organized methodology to build a body of knowledge ነው። So ኢኮኖሚስት ሲስተማቲካሊ ምን ያደርጋሉ? ኦብዘርቭ ኢኮኖሚክ ፌኖሜናን ሲስተማቲካሊ ኦብዘርቭ ያደርጋሉ። ከዛ ሪሌቫንት ዳታን ኮሌክት ያደርጋሉ። እነሱን ሪሌቫንት ዳታ ኮሌክት ያደርጉትን ክላሲፋይ ኤንድ አናላይዝ ያደርጉታል። መጨረሻ ደግሞ ሪዛልቱን ኢንተርፕሬት ያደርጉታል። ስለዚህ ኢኮኖሚስት ሲስተማቲካሊ ኦብዘርቭ ኢኮኖሚክ ፌኖሜና ኮሌክት ሪሌቫንት ዳታ ክላሲፋይ ኤንድ አናላይዝ ኢንፎርሜሽን ኤንድ ኢንተርፕሬት ዘ ሪዛልት this process allows them to establish cause and effect relationship and develop theories and models that can be used to explain past economic events and predict future ones. So this methodological approach to inquiry which aims to uncover what aligns economics with a scientific method. ስለዚህ ኢኮኖሚካል ሳይንስ የሚያስብለው ይሄ ነው ማለት ነው። ይህ question 11 ነው። question 12 economics is considered as an art. ኢኮኖሚክስ ደግሞ ምንድነው ብለናል? ኢኮኖሚክስ is both science and art ነው ብለናል። አርት ያደረገው ደግሞ በምን ምክንያት ነው? A involves the creative expression of ideas. B systematically builds body of theoretical knowledge. C provide principle and methods to solve economic problems. D is not based on logical reasoning or evidence. Simply economics art ያደረገው considered as art ያደረገው it provides principles and methods to solve economic problems ነው. Beyond being a science that describes the world, economics is also considered as art ነው, as an art ነው. An art is defined as art ምንድን ነው? Defined as a practical skill or technique for achieving specific objective ነው. A systematic way of doing or achieving something ምን ይባላል? art ይባላል። So economics functions as an art because it provides a toolkit of principles, theories and methods that can be applied to solve real world economic problems. So when policymakers use economic principles to design programs to combat unemployment, poverty or inflation, they are practicing economics as an art. So economics provides or economics involves the practical application of knowledge to achieve desired outcome and improve societal welfare. Due to that, economics is considered as an art. Economics and art ምን ይደረጋል ማለት ነው? ኮንሲደር ይደረጋል ማለት ነው። 13ኛው ጥያቄ the term economia from which economics is derived originally mean እንግዲህ ምን ብለናል? economics the word economics is derived from the Greek word ኢኮኖሚያ ከሚለው ድራይቭ የሆነ ነው ብለናል። ምን ማለት ነው? A the management of trade and commerce. B the study of wealth and money. C the management of a family or a household. D the allocation of scarce resource. Simply ኢኮኖሚያ ማለት the management of a family or a household ማለት ነው። The word economics has its etymological root in the ancient Greek word economia. This term was a combination of ecos meaning house or household and nomos meaning management or law. Therefore, economia literally translates to household management. This origin reveals that the foundational concept of economics, managing limited resources to meet the needs of group, were first studied and applied in the context of running a family or a household long before they were expanded to analyze the management of the entire nation ማለት ነው። ሶ በዚሁ የዛሬው ሌሰን እናጠናቃለን። 13 ጥያቄዎች ነው በዚህ ሌሰን የምናየው። በቀጣይ ደግሞ 12 ጥያቄዎችን በሌሰንቱ እናያለን ማለት ነው። ባይ ዘ ወይ እኔ በየቻፕተሩ ለሁሉም የ9ኛ ክፍልም የ10ኛ ክፍልም የ11ኛ ክፍልም የ12ኛ ክፍልም እያንዳንዱ ቻፕተር 25 ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን አቅርቤላችኋለሁ። ሁሉም የራሳቸውን ማብራሪያ ያላቸው። ስለዚህ ከእናንተ የሚጠበቀው እነዚህ ማድረግ ብቻ ነው። ቻፕተሩን ቪዲዮውን ሰምታችሁ ተጣበቁ። ደግሞ ምን ያህል አውቀናል የሚለውን በዚህ ጥያቄ ተፈትሹበታላችሁ። በሙሉ ጥያቄዎችን ቻፕተሩን በጥያቄ መስክ ምን እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው? ሰመራይዝ እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቻፕተር 1 የራሱ የሆነ ሌሰን ጥያቄዎች አሉት። ፓርት 1 ፓርት 2 አለው። ቻፕተር 2 ቻፕተር 3 ቻፕተር 4 ሁሉም 25 ጥያቄዎች አላችሁ። ስለዚህ ለፈተና ያዘጋጃቸውን ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። በዚሁ የዛሬው ሌሰን እናጠናቃለን። በቀጣይ በሌላ ሌሰን በሌላ ፓርት እንገናኛለን። እስከዛ ድረስ የቻናሉ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ ሌሎች እንዲደርሳችሁ ደግሞ ሼር እያደረጋችሁ ቪዲዮውን ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ ጥያቄ አስተያየት ካላችሁ ደግሞ እያደረሳችሁ ይቆዩ። በሌላ ራስ እንገናኛለን። እስከዛ ድረስ ሰላም ሁኑ። ቸር ቆዩ።